Massacres, party of six.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, me and the kids are gonna do a bird feed ornament craft. I thought it'd be really fun to do. We do get a couple birds out here. We get some red birds, we've seen some blue birds and some gray birds. So I thought this would be a cute project to do and be able to watch the birds, and while we're watching them, feed them. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all what you need. So if y'all wanna do this at home, and then if y'all do it, we'd love to see what y'all did. So, alrighty, well let me tell y'all what all you need to do this bird feed ornament. You need a cup of water. You need 3 straws. You will need more straws if you wanna make more ornaments, but since we're making 3, we just need 3 straws. We have 3 cookie cutters. We have a sun, we have a rainbow, and we have a unicorn. You also need twine to hang it. You need some Karo, some gelatin, of course, bird feed. So let's go. So for step 1, you have to get a half a cup of cold water and put it in a large bowl. So Kenzie's gonna do that right now. Okay guys, for step 2, you get 2 packages of gelatin and you're gonna pour it in the cold water. Okay guys, for part 3, we're gonna add hot water, a half a cup of hot water. Go ahead, a half a cup of hot water to the bowl, and then you have to stir it. Part 4 is you have to stir it until it's dissolved. You want me to stir it or do you want to stir it?
Karo.
Yeah. You need 2 tablespoons of Karo. So Ledger's gonna do that right now. Okay, Ledger has to stir it.
Next is bird food.
Now I have to stir it. This is what it looks like so far. Okay, I gotta stir it really good. To put it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes, and then I have to make sure like all the liquid is soaked up, and so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. I just took it out, and look, it looks really good and perfect to be able to like smush it in for the cookie cutters. Okay, well I'm gonna go get the kids stuff ready so they can stuff in their cookie cutter. Okay guys, so I have all the kids have their plates, and all the kids have their cookie cutters. Shapes, yeah?
And shape.
Alright, so now we're gonna get the bird feed, and they're going to stuff it in their cookie cutters really good and tightly. So, okay, let's go. the next part of the bird feed ornament is you're gonna cut your straw, and all you're gonna do is make a hole kind of near the top, like kind of like, for instance, like Ledger's is gonna be here. Like make it to the top, but put it kind of in so you can put the twine in it. So Ledger's gonna push his down and Kinsley is gonna push hers down. Okay, go guys. No, Kinsley, see, Kinsley put hers too much in the top. Ledger, you put yours in the hole right there. Push it down. Push it all the way down. Okay. And Kinsley, see, this is perfect example. It can't be too close to the top. It needs to be right there.
Oopsie.
Presley's going to do her straw insert.
No, here.
Okay, guys, so as you can tell, all the kids did their ornaments. Now we have to let it sit in the refrigerator overnight, and then tomorrow we'll be able to take the bird feed out. We'll be able to take the straws out. We'll be able to tie it and hang it up. So tomorrow's gonna be really fun. So we'll show you when it's done. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and I'm gonna show you what all the bird seed ornaments came out. So they set overnight in the refrigerator, and this is what they look like. I'll show you what each of them look like up close. This is the unicorn. This is the rainbow. And the sun. So now I gotta put in the twine so we can hang them up. Like to try projects out that we find online that supposedly works for everybody, and this craft seems to not be working. We tried, I followed all the instructions, and it's not hard enough. We did exactly what it said, and all of the holes did not work. See, the rainbow just broke. The rainbow just cracked. So I think it probably needed some more time. Well, at least the shapes came out pretty cute, and we can at least put it outside. But we're gonna give this project a D because it did not work out properly. So, alright, well, if you try it, then and it actually works for y'all, then let us know, because maybe I didn't do something. But I printed the instructions and I looked and I followed them A to B to C to D all the way to Z, and it just didn't work for us. So I don't know. Well, alrighty guys, well, thanks for watching, and like I said, if y'all do this project, then we would love to see what y'all did. And until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.